Here, if you observe that, it will becomes indeterminate form. X is equal to 0 if substitute cos power 4 0, cos 0 is 1. So sin square pi 0 by 0, 0 by 0 form. So whenever we are getting 0 by 0 form, indeterminate form it will come. So indeterminate form, so L'Hospital, by using L'Hospital rule, so differentiation of numerator and differentiation of denominator. Limit extends to 0. Sin square of pi into cos power 4x. It is in the form of f of x whole power n. Observe, dear students, whenever we are differentiating d by dx of f of x whole power n means n into f of x whole power n minus 1. Again this function we have to differentiate. F of x derivative is f dash of x. This is the way I am going to differentiate the function. Just I am rubbing this. Just for understanding purpose I am writing. So limit extends to 0. Sin square of means 2 into sin of pi cos power 4x whole power 2 minus 1. That means again this sin of this function you have to differentiate. So sin square x means 2 sin x. Again sin x derivative we are doing now. Similarly 2 sin of pi cos power 4x into sin of cos power 4x derivative is cos of pi cos power 4x. Again this function you have to differentiate. Pi into cos of pi derivative is pi into cos power 4x derivative 4 into cos cube x. Again cos x derivative is minus sin x. I hope everyone understand. Divided by x power 4 derivative is 4x cube. So here 4 get cancelled. Observe here, logically I am writing limit extends to 0. 2 pi constant, here only you can write it 2 pi sin of pi cos power 4x divided by x cube. The rest of the terms you can apply limit. So limit extends to 0 cos of pi cos power 4x, that is one function. Limit extends to 0 cos cube x, one function. Here x cube I wrote now, x cube, here x square and here minus sin x is there. So limit extends to 0 minus sin x divided by x I am writing. Here x cube is there, no, one cube we are eliminating here. So x square. Now x cube can be written as x square into x. So simplification, limit extends to 0, keep it like this only, don't disturb this term. Sin of pi cos power 4x divided by x square. Yeah, x is equal to 0, substitute cos power 4 0 1. So cos pi minus 1. Ultimately this value is minus 1. X is equal to 0, cos cube 0 1. So limit extends to 0 sin x by x. Here minus is there, minus 1. So ultimately this limit goes to minus into minus plus. 2 pi constant we can take outside from the first limit. So limit extends to 0. Sin of pi cos power 4x by x square. Again it is in the form of indeterminate. So L'Hospital rule. Sin of pi cos power 4x derivative is cos of pi cos power 4x. Again pi cos power 4x derivative is pi into 4 cos cube x into cos x derivative is minus sin x divided by x square derivative is 2x. Here 2 get cancelled. So the rest of the terms, pi constant 4 pi into pi, 4 pi square completely I am taking out. For the rest of the terms, limit extends to 0. cos of pi cos power 4x, this is one term, and limit extends to 0 cos cube x, this is another term, and last term limit extends to 0 minus sin x by x. So that is equal to 4 pi square. X is equal to 0, substitute cos pi minus 1. So minus 1. X is equal to 0, cos 0, 1. 1 cube is 1. Limit extends to 0 sin x by x. Here minus is there. So limit extends to 0 sin x by x is 1. 1 into minus 1. So ultimately 4 pi square minus into minus is plus. So 4 pi square. Therefore limit extends to 0 sin square of pi cos power 4x divided by x power 4 is equal to 4 pi square. So logically, how I am going to just, this is a logical one, not completely, 4 pi whole power 2, 4 pi square, 4 pi square, like this answer. I hope everyone understand, your students. Thank you all. We'll move to the next one.